Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue Internet Explorer cannot be display web page. So this issue occurs mainly on Windows 7. So if you are facing this issue, this video is where I will show you step by step how to troubleshoot this issue. First of all, you need to click on more information and domain name server is not available. So first we are going to install the DNS on our system. Click on open and system sharing. Okay, and then click on change adapter settings. Then you need to double click on this connected network, then go to its properties and select internet protocol version 4 here, then go to properties, and in the this following DNS server automatically type here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternative 8.8.4.4. And once you apply this setting, click on OK, click on close, and click on close, and see if that is working for you or not. So I was trying to go to the Dell drivers. Google is working fine, but still the same issue. So now let's move on to the second number fix. Go to safety tool here, then click on delete private history. Okay, all the data from the history will be deleted. Then click on delete, and once you delete it, just close it and relaunch it and see if that fix the issue or not. If still not fix the issue, let's maximize this and http secure address tools, click on internet options, then click on advanced and make sure that TLS protocol are enabled under the security tabs. Okay, click on tools, then click on internet options, then click on security and click on advanced. Okay, and we need to look for here TLS. So these are the TLS. Make sure you enable all the settings here and then click on apply, click on OK, click on OK, and close this and retry it and see if that fixes your issue or not. It's trying to connect. So as you can see here, click on here to web page, continue while not recommended. That is not the issue. Now it has loaded, and when I go to Dell, see it is working now. So it has started working and the issue has been resolved. If your issue is still not resolved guys, what you can do is you can go to the tools again, then click on internet options. Okay, and just you need to confirm this dialog. Let me. Okay, then click on advanced, then click on restore defaults, then click on reset. Okay, and delete personal settings, reset, and then click on close. Yes, and after that restart it and see that fix your issue or not. This should fix your issue, guys. Okay, so I have just need to select that option TLS, which I have shown you previously. This option TLS, let's try with one. Okay, and then try here. 1.2 is also recommended for that, so that's why it is asking 1.2. And let's try to relaunch it, and it should work, guys. See, so this is how you can fix the issue. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.